this is our science experiment.
This is the pumpkin we're using. We're gonna put elastic rubber bands around it to see how many it takes to explode it.
We had everybody guess on how many it's gonna take. So, yeah,
We'll see.
So we just finished putting the elastic bands on it, and we were honestly not expecting it to blow up like
Like
this.
it didn't look like it was compressed
It was like
at all.
It was
Like
not even like a little like.
in the
it was just,
videos we watched, it was like
yeah,
like
it was
all
like
swervy.
in like
this
this.
was just looked like
Yeah,
a pumpkin, and then it didn't explode that much though because it's still together.
yeah, and
Yeah.
in the end, it took 364 elastic bands to
We still did a lot.
break a pumpkin in half.
Oh,
Yeah, this is all of the elastic bands.
they're on like the middle of the pumpkin.
Yeah,
Like,
you
all
can
its
like see
guts.
its guts.
Like, look at that.